Ah, I know you've been waiting for the next one. And it's to do with these. You've probably seen these before. The old snappy snap cameras. Well, actually, funny enough, they can put out kind of quite bang. And I'm going to show you why. And we're wearing our infamous proper t-shirt, our right attire for this. And word of warning, stay away from these, because I can give you quite a shock, as I'm sure you'll be able to understand. Also on this, we have another meaty morsel friend of ours, another meaty mate, who is unfortunately, along with his family, probably going to meet a rather shocking end. Before we get into that, those are what the insides of these look like. And you'll see the nasty burn marks on them. Right, with that, I got quite a funny story to tell you. I took that one apart earlier on because it was, as always, in my bucket of all of them. There's loads of them in there because, of course, who wouldn't have about 30 disposable cameras in there, all broken up? So I was going through the breakup of that one. They sort of, a breakup or a makeup? Is it makeup to breakup? I never did figure that one out. It was probably makeup to breakup. It makes it almost sound matrimonial, that, don't it? Oh, I was going through Discord. Well, no, actually, I didn't do Discord either. But anyway, this thing had the battery removed. But yet, I got a shock off it earlier on. Oof! It was quite painful, that. So, this is sort of the reason why I say to you, don't be trying this stuff yourself. Because they can deliver quite a nasty bang. And I might just show you that now. And unbelievably, it's only done off one remote control battery. Yeah, that's right. Battery out of remote control. 1.5 volt. Unbelievable, isn't it? And I'm going to show you now what happens. Now, just a quick note on how these work. Right? You wind these pretty much from the thumb. You wind your film across on the inside where that lens is facing, and there's some sort of photoreceptor there. Now, what you have to do with these is you need to store up a whacking great capacitor and then dump that flu? No, not flu. Hopefully you don't have that. Through the trigger transformer. That trigger transformer and that capacitor will energise that bulb and it will flicker. That light burns an image onto the film on the underside. Then when you wind them over, the film gets wound back into itself on the other side. So when you pull that in, you pull the film over, wind it into the start position, and then obviously you have your counter there. Now, I'm not a photographer, so I don't really know kind of an awful lot about the whole process of that. But electronically, I sort of do, and that's what we obviously see. Interestingly enough, from there, we can get bigger. Well, you see the flash on that. Well, we do have bigger. significantly bigger, and the danger is kind of at the extreme end. Touching the outputs of those, or the trigger transformer in that, would probably kill you. Even on the smaller size, it probably would. And this one only takes 4 of those kind of remote control batteries. You might be wondering what the cob light's for. Well, that's because that has a remote control. I'll explain that one later. So, I suppose you're going to want to see me energize this, and hopefully I don't destroy the kind of chip in my hand. I shouldn't, as long as I don't get some sort of EMP off it, which I shouldn't, as long as I don't get a shock. I just need to make sure my feet aren't touching ground. And now's always a good time to have a beer. I'll sort of show you how this works. Believe it or not, off of 1.5 volt battery. Chuck that in there. So, oh boy, it's quite a snap. Like I said, this potentially could even kill you if you went out of your way to do it. So like I said, don't play with these. Leave it to me. I will energize it. And I have a high voltage probe. Just one little fact actually, what I am going to do is find... Yeah, hang on. There we are. Insulate grips on this, because I don't really want to take any chances. Now with these, on the front there, that button has to be pushed down to charge that up. Have I even... Oh, I haven't got that in right, have I? Or is it busted? Let's try again. Oh no, it's charging, as you can hear. Right, let's short it out then. Straight across those 2 terminals. Not very impressive. Let's try more. Try to hold that steady. Charging, as you can hear. Let's give it a proper good charge. And now, shorten these terminals. Oh, ooh, that probably would hurt, that. Always shorten that a few times. That's why you don't want to touch them. Now, capacitors in those are rated for about 350 volt. I'll show you what the actual board looks like. I've got loads of them. Ow! Oh! Ah, shit! Oh! Fuck! There was another one in there. Oh! Fuck! Ah! Felt it all the way. Oh, dear. Oh, fuck. Alright. Ah, shit. Oof. Oh, right. Fucking hell, that does hurt. Oh. Ah. Fuck me, you don't want to do that. Oh, luckily I'm not grounded. Oh, I felt that all the way up there. Oh, my God. I hope that ain't destroyed chip in my hand as well. Oh, fuck me, that's gone quite red. Oh, mate. That's quite a whack as well. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, wow. Oh, fuck me. It's tingling up here and all. Oh, shit. There was another one that was charged. Oh, damn. Oh, don't touch them. Fucking hell, they give quite a zap. Oh, oh, oh there, felt that up there. Fucking hell. Oh, there. It's like a sharp punch. And like a burn, but it's like being whacked as well. Oh. Mm. Oh dear, I felt it fucking go. Ooh. Fucking hell. Phew, that's a bit red, isn't it? That's a bit much, isn't it? Oh, I like that. Oh, was it that one? Ooh, dear. I don't want to do that again. Fucking hell, but that's all essentially they are. And yeah, fucking knocked me on that. Oh dear. It's a bit fucking much, isn't it, that? That was one that I only dismantled yesterday. Oh, tingles. A bit more than that. Oh. Oh. Alright, cool. Anyway, moving on. So that's essentially all that's in them. Not much. That's what's in there. It's exactly the same. Oh dear, a bit gingery about that. There it is. Oh dear. Fucking hell. Oh. Oh god, that fucking still hurts. Wow. Whew. I won't be doing that again. Oh. Ooh. But that's what's in them. Now, obviously something. I don't know if it's wise touching that. Yeah, that's a little bit more serious. So you stay away from flash guns off of the older cameras. Because if you look at that, yeah, this is dodgy. Look at rating on that one. 350 volt, 600 microfarad. Probably kill you, that. Is it wise to be picking that up? I don't know if that's even fucking shorted. I wouldn't want to get a whack off that. That would hurt massively. Oh, even the other one did. And that was tiny compared to that. Oh dear. Oh my god. Well, whack off that. Bearing in mind all the other components in there are much bigger. Probably would kill you. And I got those off of and I got the flash as well. Oh fuck me, that does hurt. Oh dear. Ugh. It actually does hurt, no. Oh, I think I need another beer. And then we're gonna chuck our old sausage on it and see what kind of sparkage we get. Whew, I think we do like that. And oh god, that's quite funny. I don't see why people were dicking around trying to make tasers out of them, but you really actually shouldn't. Oh, there was something still energised in there, and it was that one. Which is why it's always a good idea if you get a bucket full of that. Make sure it's de-energised before you put it in there, because you might be inclined to put your fingers in there and get quite a wallop off it. like straight up here and all. Oh, dear me. I think that was probably more like muscle spasm than anything. Oh, dear. I don't trust that. That's a bit naughty, that, isn't it? I think we need to see how he's going to get on going sort of photo finish, I reckon. Face to face. Let's get a cigarette lit and then let's give it some going. Right, where's my cigarettes? No more Bernie for a moment anyway, because Bernie had a bit of a blow up, unfortunately. But we have got bigger. So we've got all this going on as well. I need to cover that one on the side note. No more Bernie. I need to work on that one. Unfortunately, I have to use this stupid thing for my own safety. But also in relation to this, before we get into it, I have got the idea for Gordon Ramsay, mate, and I think he's going to love it. Flash cooking sausages, right? It's perfect. I think we'll have to even use one of those for it. Gordon Ramsay, mate, has got nothing on this. Right, the award is there. Thanks to you people. The award is there, man. And my hair is not there. Shall we do it? I know you want to see it. Right, where's our meaty mate? Let's give it a go. You know what's happening to you, don't you? You know, yeah, that's the sort of glum face you've got. I think you know what's going to happen. I'll just set you down here for now. All your family is here to watch your sadness, mate. I can do my sadness if I get this one wrong. And I'm still holding this with my bare hands. I love the way they call it bare hands. I'm a bear. Bare hands. Awesome. Right, so I've got it in my bare hands. Cool. Awesome. Charge him. Keep slipping off. Let's discharge it quickly. Oh, that's pathetic. This isn't charging. Let's really volt it up. Let's get revolting. Right. Now, what happens to our meaty mate? It didn't go pop. It probably got shot like I did. Yeah, it looks like sort of a shock. That shock burns, that. That shock burns. Alright, let's discharge it. Yeah. So it kind of didn't go bang. It did exactly what happened to me. And that battery is getting kind of warm. Let's do it again. Oh, charging. Let's discharge here. Charge again. That's not really working very well. Let's do it with this. Charge him. And ready? 1, 2, 3. High voltage is supposed to be. Whack. And quite nice in it. And let's charge again. There it is, charging up that cap. Come here, old matey. Let's give you a bit more sadness. Poke. More burnage. Oh dear. That would probably quite hurt, wouldn't it? Oh, that's one of my fingers are a bit fucking bad and all. Charge up again. What the hell am I putting my fingers on that again? Fucking hurt. How do we trigger the flash on it? Don't think we do, but on the side. No, you have to do it that way. That battery is getting rather warm, isn't it? Try and set the flash off on it. Off! Ah! Yeah. Oh, I did. Yeah, set flash off on it. Oh. Cool. That in itself is interesting. Oof. Right. I've shut my eyes and now I've got a sort of blue spot. Oof. Do that. Whew. That's quite funny. So you could even make one into a portable self-defense unit. So you could have like as a sort of self-defense thing. Like if somebody was going to attack you in the street, set off a strobe. Oof, dear. Shit, if you're not expecting that, that is quite a flash. Whew. Oh dear. But you just can't have the taser part of it though. Not that I would ever advocate you doing that. Avocado. Egg drink. Not that I would advocate you doing that. It's quite interesting. Oh fucking hell though. Them things are quite evil. We're not done with old sausage mate here though. We are going to have to blow him apart, I think, at some point. Oh, mate, that's incredible. The flash on that, I think you'll probably want to see that again. Oh, my God, that's intense. Let's try again. Just separating those. Let's charge it up. Oh shit, don't want the end of that touching my foot. Let me just get rid of that. It's incredible, that. Off 1.5 volt. Just a simple remote control battery. That's a bit much, isn't it? Haha. Imagine what one of them would do. But better yet, imagine this. What a whole load of them will do. Ha ha ha. Think you know where I'm going with that one, don't you? Oh dear. There may be trouble ahead. Cool. Right. Anyway, about that flash, let's see if we can get that to flash again. Or should I take mine? No, we want to see flash on that, don't we? Focus! Cameras. Charging. I'm probably going to burn this thing out actually. Still can't get it right without. How did I set that flash off before? Can't remember. I did set it off. Well, it wasn't even fully charged that time. Let's try again. I've killed battery. Or maybe not. Yes. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. It's like a defibrillator, isn't it? Charging, 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 charging. That's ready. Ain't gonna flash. Ain't flashing. Ain't it flashing? Oh, popped. Was that flashing? I shorted something out earlier on, it flashed. There's a button, it's sort of around there somewhere. Where was it? Normally, it's around here. Separating that don't do anything. Oh dear. Oof. So you separate it and then rejoin it. Oh my gosh. Of course, because that trigger transformer detects the voltage difference. That's probably why earlier on I got that whack off it as well. Let's charge it again. Let's really give it some. Probably think go bang now, isn't it? Oh, there's a red light on there. I think that's a bit angry now. Let's give it some more. Oh yeah, that red light's really getting quite angry. I'll flash it. Oh, I don't really want to look at that. It's not going to flash. Why aren't you flashing? Oh dear. Did it? Wait, what? Try again. Oh, what did I also short out in there then? Give it some more maybe? Nah. There's a push button on here somewhere. Press and hold it. Maybe that might do it. No. No. Well, as the sadness says. We wouldn't want to put our finger on it now, would we? No, we bloody well wouldn't. Not again. Alright, push it up onto that spring. No. It's around here somewhere. Oh, that's fully charged, that. It's fully charged. That's really angry, that. That's ready to go. Still ain't flashing. What? I might bust a flash. I think I bust a flash on it. Oh, I ain't having that. Oh, dear. I didn't even touch a cap now, I touched the side of it. Charge it again. Right, it's shorting out across them terminals now. I think, ladies and gentlemen, we have a terminal problem. I think you might need a standalone sausage. Nothing. Cool. Must hurt though, that. It's definitely a bit sad, that, isn't it? Oh, it's definitely charging that though. Is that red light coming on? No, I think we bust the LED on it. Oh no, it is still there. Cool. Oh, ooh. I'm having a lot of fun with this. I said you wouldn't want to stick your finger on there, would you? Been there and done it. Can't even remember how I triggered that flash on it. I think it was somewhere around there. It's a bit nasty this though, isn't it? Having a bit too much fun. It's killing that cap, and that battery's, oof, dear, that's getting kind of warm as well. Stick it in there. Maybe. What's that? Does it trigger over time? No. Not at all. Maybe it might be there. Let's try that. Try and shorten that out. Get that trigger to work. Not there. Not across there. It's not there. I know one thing, another flash on that, it's going to burn my eyes out. Nothing in there. Can't even bloody find it. It's around here. Oof, no, not quite the one. I think it's bust that bulb. I think it has. Yeah, alright. Well, it was fun while it lasted. One more for the old sausage then. Boink. Ah, dear. Well, alright. It was fun while it lasted. It bloody hurt. Word of warning though. Don't play with these things. In the next one we're going to play with something bigger. So, I think, yeah, it's time I pop off. Mm.